Hello, this is Neil Brady. I'm doing the homework assignment for week one for CAS 160. And this is going to be the video instruction, the instructional video regarding zipping and unzipping files and folders. So to begin with, we have a file here. A folder here with a bunch of files in it. And what we want to do is to make a compressed folder to zip it up. So to do that, you would right-click the folder, and then you would go to Send To. And under Send To, you would hit Compress Zipped Folder, and it will create a zip folder up here. And just for the sake of organization, we can name it something a little bit different when we unzip it. So let's just call this 12 at the end. And there's our zipped folder. Now you can, open this folder, and you can, if you wanted to, unzip files one by clicking and dragging them. But typically, the easiest and better way is to unzip the entire compressed folder. And to do that, you would right-click again, and then you would go down to Extract All. And clicking Extract All, see this window will show the destination and where it'll go. You can browse, put it wherever, but right now it's just going to go onto the desktop here. So we can hit Extract, and there it is. There's the Extract, differently named folder. And that should be everything on how to zip and then unzip compressed folders and files.